2 videos.
Alright, guys, well, it's going up on his channel and my channel.
Oh my god, my phone's brighter than yours.
Alright, well, I'm not going to describe it because subscribe to my channel. Go look at my channel. It'll shout me out later. Here we go. No! Alright, your turn.
Okay. Here, hold 2. Oh, geez, so hard.
I know.
Guys, yeah, this will probably be my longest vlog. Oh my god, you're so bright.
I know.
That did not go high. He dropped it. Alright, my turn.
I threw the bullet in the grass.
What up? It's so hard.
Oh my god, it's too hard. Ow! I just put my foot on a stick. Man, put it on a stick. I gotta put my case on.
What's up, guys?
Can you take my case off?
Why do you want it off?
Because it keeps falling off. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, it's naked.
Our 2 cameras are going to have babies. Yeah, it's going to turn out to be the video.
Your phone's smaller than mine. Alright, let's go.
Guys, alright, look, I can do something cool.
Yeah! Prove it. Prove it. Okay. Okay.
I'll never be sorry.
Okay. Oh, you must have. Oh, look. There's a video.
Having babies. Let's go, baby!
Video caption.
Let's go! Guys, we don't test. At least I don't think we do. We don't in our video!
Hey, guess what? There's a big backyard. Look at that side by side. Oh, wait.
Dude!
Ooh, it is. Yeah, bro.
Bro, get out here.
Let's plan. Let's for life.
Wait, bro.
Where's that other video? Where's that boy you threw at me on the eye? You know what I'm trying to
Dang it!
Don't do that, boy. Come on, camera, bro.
I think I showed the camera to my nose when I tried to scratch my chin. I think I did it again. Hey, bruh.
Alright, come on, do the challenge. Guys, this is definitely
Hold my camera.
Hold my camera. Hold my camera.
I'm looking for 2 guys. Oh, I can't find the bullet in the video.
Oh!
Proof it. Proof it. I didn't get to see it on your phone. Alright. What up, guys? Alright, come on. Okay, you're going twice?
Yep.
Sorry, my finger keeps on getting in the way. He dropped it.
It hit the phone.
That came right back here in his radio.
Oh.
Alright, guess I'll go twice.
Go.
Epic fail part 2.
Get it.
No, it was so far.